Hello kids, this video is for grade 9, day 23, chapter 4. The topic is linear equation in two variables. So today we are going to start a new chapter. Well, this topic is not new to you because we in polynomials we already learn about linear equation, but that was in one variable, that is ax plus b equals to 0, right? That was in one variable. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the linear equation which is in two variable, and also we'll see how to find the linear equation, how to find the solution of the linear equation in two variable by graphical method also and by normal method also, how to find the solution. So let's start. First of all, the definition, that is linear equation in two variable. The standard form of the equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Remember, this is the standard form of the linear equation in two variable, which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers such that a must not be equals to 0 and b must not be equals to 0. Right? And x and y are the variables. If a will become 0, then it will become a linear equation in one variable, right? Or if b becomes 0, then it will again become one variable. That's why I have mentioned the condition over here that a should not equal to 0 and b should not equals to 0. So it's important to write. And also a, b, c must be the real numbers. And here we are dealing with the variables x and y. Right? So this is the standard form to write linear equation in two variables. For example, if I say that 2x plus y equals to 3, then what are the variables over here? X and y are the variables, right? And this I can write it in standard form, that 2x plus y, if I shift this 3 from RHS to LHS, then it will become minus 3. Then I can write 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0, right? Now if you compare this equation with the standard one, what is the value of a? That is 2. So value of a is 2. What is the value of b? Which is 1. And what is the value of c? Which is minus 3. So the value of a, b, c are 2, 1 and minus 3. So this is how we represent linear equation in two variable. Let's see another example. X equals to minus 4. Here you will say that here there is only one variable. Absolutely right. So if I want to write it in the standard form, can I write that x, if I shift this 4 to that side, it will become x plus 4 equals to 0. Now talking about the coefficient, what is a and b over here? The coefficient only, right? So if I talk about the coefficient here, I can write x as 1 into x plus, we don't have y over here, so I can write 0 into y and plus 4, and which will be equals to 0, right? So at place of a, what I have? 1. At place of b, what I have? 0. And at place of c, what I have? 4. So the value of a, b, c are 1, 0 and 4. So question can be framed like this, that I'll give you any particular equation and I'll ask you to write the value of a, b, c, which are the coefficient and the constant term, right? So I hope this is clear. Now the next topic is that to find the solution of a linear equation. Now what do we mean by the solution of a linear equation? By saying solution of a linear equation, we mean that for a linear equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0, it is a linear equation in x and y. To find the solution means to find the pair of values, one for x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation. That is called the solution. For example, here we have 2x plus 3y equals to 12, right? So if I put x equals to 3 and y equals to 2, this is the pair of the values, that is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Then on putting x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 in the above equation, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So it is equals to 12, which is equals to my RHS. So LHS become RHS on x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Therefore, I can say that 3, 2 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Why it is a solution? Because on putting x equals to 3 and y equals to 2, we are getting the value which is equals to the RHS. So LHS becomes RHS when I am putting x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. And this is a way to write. I am writing the coordinates. So this is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. So this is how we write. So x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 is a solution of the equation this. Always we write x first and then we write y. So remember, whenever we have to represent a point, always we write x first and then we write the y. So this is how we write. This we have already studied in the coordinate geometry chapter. So this is the way to write a solution. Moving ahead, there's a question that check whether the following pair of the solution equation has solution or not. There are 4 options over here which is given. I need to find that which are the exact solution of the given linear equation, right? Which are the exact solution of the given linear equation. Now we'll solve one by one and we'll see which one is the solution. For x equals to 2 and y equals to 0, for x equals to 2, this is my first option. That is x equals to 2 and y equals to 0. This is my main equation, which is x minus 2y equals to 4. At place of x, I'll write 2. At place of y, I'll write 0. Rest everything is same. So 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0. That is 2. Is it equals to 4? No, it is not equals to 4, which is at my RHS. Therefore, I can say that this is not at all a solution. Right? Therefore, I can say that 2, 0 is not a solution of this one. Moving ahead, the second one is 0 and minus 2. Second point is 0 and minus 2. So the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is minus 2. So putting the value of x and y in the given equation, at place of x I have written 0, at place of y I have written minus 2. Rest everything is same. On solving it, I am getting 4. Is it equal to the RHS? Yes, it is equal to the RHS. Therefore, I can say that 0 minus 2 is a solution. Similarly, I'll check this one. At place of x, what I have? 4 root 2. At place of y, what I have? Root 2. Now, at place of x, I am putting 4 root 2. At place of y, I am putting root 2. On solving this, I am getting this, which is irrational minus rational. I cannot simplify it. So, here, is it equals to 4? No. Therefore, this is not a solution. This will be a solution only if LHS equals to RHS. In that case, only we get the solution of the given linear equation. The next one is that 4, 0. So if x equals to 4 and y equals to 0, I am putting the value of x and y in the given linear equation. I am getting x equals to 4, y equals to 0. So 4, 0, I am getting 4 value which is equals to my RHS. So this is equals to my RHS. Therefore, here I am starting with LHS and I am at last on solving I am getting RHS. So I can say that 4, 0 is a solution. So as you can see that in one particular, this is my one equation and here only I got 2 solutions. One set of solution is 0 minus 2. This is satisfying the given equation, and also 4, 0, another pair of solution which is also satisfying the given equation. So what is the limit? How many solutions can a linear equation have? Well, the answer is infinite. Infinite. A linear equation in 2 variable has infinitely many solutions. Remember this. I'm not talking about 2 linear equations at a time. I'm talking only about a single linear equation in 2 variable that has infinitely many solutions. In the next video, we'll learn more question regarding this, that how to find infinite or more than 2, 3, 4 number of solution of a particular given linear equation. I'm sharing few assignments question with you. That is question number 1 is that I have to find the value of A, B and C. This is my question number 1. Question number 2, express. You have to express this in this form, and this is third one. You have to check whether this is a solution or not. All the options. You need to find which one is the solution for the given linear equation. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe at home.